everyone, it's Sarah. Welcome back to Soul Media, where we discuss. I think it's time for a new intro. Actually, give me 1 second. That's better. Don't worry, I'm still here. I'm gonna be using this cartoon filter for future videos, just to make it a little more interesting. Hello, my fellow beauty lovers. I'm Sarah. Welcome back to Soul Media, where we discuss beauty brand strategies and stories to inspire you along your journey. Okay, so in today's video, we will be discussing 3 beauty brands, small beauty brands, by the way, that literally blew up from TikTok. I'm talking massive success and millions of followers on no other social platform but TikTok. Yeah, I know what you're thinking. TikTok, really? Millions of followers, success, millions of dollars? Yes. Okay, but it definitely takes a lot of hard work, but definitely it made it all worth it. Stick with me till the end of the video because these stories are guaranteed to not only entertain you, but to give you a jolt of electricity and motivation that you need to inspire you along your journey, okay? So whether you're a beauty boss or a beauty enthusiast, you are gonna love these 3 stories. Also, at the end of this video, I'll be sharing 3 more beauty brands that didn't use the algorithm to grow, but they utilize TikTok ads, and I'll be sharing their strategies as well. So stick till the very end. You do not wanna miss it, okay? Meet Down to Earth Beauty, your go-to for effective and affordable skincare that's perfect for all skin types. But what sets them apart from the rest? Well, let me tell you the story of how this amazing brand came to be. Down to Earth Beauty isn't just a brand, it's a passion project brought to life by a group of inspiring individuals who believe in the power of self-care and skincare, all while keeping things cute, fun, and budget-friendly. It's like having your own personal spa day every day. And here's a twist in their journey that really caught our attention. Down to Earth Beauty leveraged the magic of TikTok, where they gained massive following of 694,000 followers and an astonishing 25.6 million likes. How do they do it, you ask? Well, it's all about those ASMR sounds, okay? And their super satisfying product demos that give you the ultimate brain tickle.
Are there any other small business owners out there that are just like, I just need that one TikTok to go viral? Because that's me right now. I just need this one TikTok to go viral. I sell shirts. I want them to be seen. I've never had a TikTok or an Instagram reel go viral, so.
Yep, those ASMR piping videos have everyone talking. And trust me, they are as satisfying as they look. But it's not just about the visuals, it's about the quality behind the scenes. Down to Earth Beauty prides itself on being a small business that handcrafts every single skincare and body care product with love and care. They used unrefined, natural, and raw butters, ensuring your skin gets the best of the best. And guess what? All their fragrances are phthalate free, so you can pamper yourself guilt-free. What's even more impressive is that they make everything in small batches to guarantee the quality of each item. It's kind of like having a little piece of skincare heaven in every jar. And here's a fact that makes us even more excited to support this brand. Down to Earth Beauty is proudly Asian American and 100% woman owned. They're not just a business, they're a community that cares, okay? If you're as excited about them as I am about their ASMR magic and amazing products, don't forget to check out their website and show them some love. And perhaps maybe you can consider either watching more ASMR channels or perhaps creating more ASMR in your marketing strategy. We love Down to Earth Beauty here. We watch them all the time for their satisfying products, and I hope you guys can check them out as well. All right, so next story, we're going to be taking a look at the fascinating world of Boss Up Cosmetics, the brainchild of a young entrepreneur who turned her passion into a thriving beauty brand. In October 2018, Aaliyah Arnold embarked on a remarkable journey. She founded her online business and skincare brand, Boss Up Cosmetics. at the tender age of 14. Now, at just 18 years old, this Houston native has transformed her brand into a powerhouse, offering a wide range of products from eyeshadow palettes to lipsticks to blushes to brushes and, of course, her signature lip glosses. But here's the kicker, folks. Aaliyah's entrepreneurial spirit began to shine at an astonishingly young age. She was just around 9 years old when she ran her first business, Sticky Business, selling unique accessories made entirely of duct tape. These products included wallets, phone cases, and purses, were a hit among schoolmates. At the tender age of 11, Aaliyah took her passion for business to the online world, opening her first official store called Tropical Slimes on Etsy. Yes, you guessed it right. She was running a slime business, which is iconic. Her creativity and drive were so impressive that she received hundreds of orders during that time. Now we fast forward to 2018. Aaliyah felt the urge to reignite her entrepreneurial flame. This time, it's all about lip glosses. At the age of 14, she launched her second online store, initially known as Boss Gloss Cosmetics, which we now know as Boss Up Cosmetics. Here she offered lip glosses in a mesmerizing array of shades and colors. But Aaliyah didn't stop there. Her brand continued to evolve. She expanded her brand line to include eyelashes and eyeshadow palettes, demonstrating her ever-growing passion for cosmetics. It was very clear that her brand was no longer about lip gloss and has become a pivotal decision in 2018 to change the brand's name to Boss Up Cosmetics. And that's when things started to get really exciting.
I remember Rob posted a video using my color changing lip oil and it kind of blew up. We have received thousands of orders, which means we have been working overtime. Orders have been a bit delayed due to the high demand, but I can assure you my family and I are working very hard to get all of your orders out. Your support means the world to us and we really do appreciate it. We hope you guys know that you guys are supporting a family and we love you for that. And we hope you love our product.
Boss Up Cosmetics went viral in December 2021 thanks to the overwhelming online support. Aaliyah couldn't handle it all on her own. She had a secret weapon, her mother, Wendy, who quit her corporate job to join her daughter in running Boss Up Cosmetics. Boss Up Cosmetics is a thriving beauty empire offering an impressive range of products, like I said before, lip glosses, liquid lipsticks, blushes, highlighters, lashes, eyeshadow palettes, apparel, accessories, skincare, and her latest addition, Mama's Cups. This Black Latina and Christian-owned business is proudly based in Houston, Texas, and it's growing every single day. But here's the cherry on top, okay? Boss Up Cosmetics knows the importance of organic marketing. Aaliyah has harnessed the power of TikTok to gain a massive following. I'm telling you, the biggest I've seen, okay? You can catch her on TikTok Live sharing her mornings with Get Ready With Me sessions or her evenings as she diligently packages orders and fills those mesmerizing lip glosses. With a 2 million follower count and a staggering 71 million likes, Aaliyah is a true sensation on TikTok. Okay, and there you have it, the inspiring journey of Aaliyah Arnold. I forgot to also mention that she's been featured in so many press outlets. She has been mentioned by so many celebrities, from Michaela, the really famous beauty influencer on TikTok. Yeah, she just reviewed her products and it's amazing.
I get the hype. I get the hype. It is worth the hype.
Gotta be cool. Gotta be professional. Michaela bought and used my color changing.
Michaela and James Charles, all of these massive beauty influencers have reviewed her products and they loved it. And I can't wait to get my hands on them, to be honest. I'm literally on my way to get a lip gloss right now and I'll do a review for it. So there you have it, the inspiring journey of Aaliyah Arnold, the 18-year-old founder and CEO of Boss Up Cosmetics. From duct tape accessories to viral beauty sensations, her story is a testament to the power of passion, persistence, and embracing new horizons. Don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed the story, okay? And if you want to watch more stories just like this one. Our next story is another big brand on TikTok, a big small brand, and it's called Sunday Glow by Celine. I'm sure you've heard of Celine Glow, or you've at least seen her videos. She's stunning and amazing on TikTok, but I just want you to picture this, okay? Close your eyes. And imagine a world where beauty and confidence go hand in hand. And it all starts with one remarkable individual. And you can open your eyes now. Get ready to meet the genius behind Sunday Glow, the radiant Celine Glow. Love that rhymes. Okay, Celine is no ordinary entrepreneur. Her journey in the startup world began at a mere 15 years old, setting the stage for a decade-long career filled with astounding success. Fast forward to 2017, and Celine earned herself the prestigious title of Miss Chinese Toronto. But it wasn't just a crown she gained, it was the curiosity of countless friends and admirers. They'd ask her, "How do I become more confident?" But the most frequently asked question of all was, "What's your skincare routine?" You see, everyone Celine knew was a skincare fanatic, and they wanted the secret behind her flawless complexion. Celine soon realized it wasn't just about sharing her routine. It was about helping people find confidence through healthy skin. Those with skin concerns often lack self-assurance, and the maze of skincare products can be daunting. So, she took it upon herself to offer free skincare consultations to her friends. It brought her immeasurable joy to witness their transformations, to see their glow with their newfound confidence. And that's when Celine decided to dedicate her life to the world of beauty. Her mission? To empower every individual, one glowing face at a time. Today, she's a thriving force behind Sunday Glow with a staggering 542,000 followers and an impressive 12.4 million likes on TikTok.
My number one insecurity is 100% my blackheads and how huge my pores are. Kids at school used to call me dirty strawberry. After trying literally 100 plus products, I finally found the best way to get rid of them, and that is Korean skincare. I do this skincare routine weekly to keep my skin looking like this. I just love it so much. I had to start a skincare brand 2 years ago so I can help people who also struggle with their skin and self-confidence. And now we restock thousands of them and ship them to all over the world. It's been honestly such a dream come true.
It's not just about the numbers, it's about the invaluable skincare wisdom that she imparts. Celine's TikToks isn't about trends, it's about transformation. She is on a mission to make you feel more beautiful and more confident than ever. And I'm obsessed with her videos, by the way, if you haven't seen this by now. So if you are ready to embark on a journey towards glowing skin and unwavering confidence, you have come to the right place, okay? I need you to go and follow Celine on Sunday Glow or Celine Glow on TikTok and let her guide you on your path to radiant beauty. It's more so regarding like Korean beauty, Korean skincare, which I'm also very obsessed with. And remember that confidence begins with self-love, and self-love begins with healthy glowing skin. And Celine understands that very, very well, and she has become such a genius with marketing her brand on TikTok. I'm obsessed with her brand, like I said before, of some of her products just so I can try them out, and I'm excited to try them out and let you guys know. So yes, that is the 3 amazing brands on TikTok that you need to know right now that are killing it. They started out small, they're not some big corporation, they just understand how to organically market their brand, market their products effectively to capture people's attention. Something that we can all learn from. Before I let you go, I do want to say that there is another way that you can gain more sales and more notoriety through TikTok without organic marketing, and that is utilizing advertising, okay? And I want to share 3 bonus beauty brands that gain massive success through TikTok ads. So the first brand is Selfection. They're a new Korean beauty brand that achieved a 10x, like 10.2 times increase in sales utilizing Spark ads. And if you don't know what Spark ads are, or even in-feed ads, Spark ads are ones that utilize like an influencer or even your videos, and they're already doing well on TikTok organically, but you use the Spark ads to skyrocket those views and just put more money behind the video. And there's another brand, Henry Rose Beauty, generating 600 conversions for their smart performance campaign with in-feed. So these are just the normal ads that you see while scrolling through TikTok. And here's another amazing brand that utilized influencer marketing and Spark ads on TikTok to drive over 700% in increase in views. And they're called Fint with a capital T Inc. Killing it with advertising right now. And these results are very replicatable and are designed to get more purchases and higher return on investment. TikTok for Business is your ticket to skyrocketing your brand's awareness and boosting your sales. TikTok is the new beauty community, bigger and more engaged than any other beauty community since YouTube in the glory days. YouTube in the glory days was something to behold, okay? With TikTok, you can tap into a massive and engaged audience reaching potential customers where they spend their time. And the best part, TikTok offers powerful analytics so you know exactly how your ads are performing and ensuring every dollar is well spent. I know every single person in my life is on TikTok, so this is where you need to come in and seize the market. If you sign up today, you'll receive a free TikTok ad strategy and implementation call with either myself or I can set you up with a TikTok for Business implementation strategist. I will personally work with you, or someone from TikTok will personally work with you with creating a winning ad strategy that best fits your brand, ensuring your success on TikTok. Like I said before, if you don't want to work with me, that's cool. I've been doing ads for 5 years. I know all the beauty stuff. But if you want to work with someone from TikTok, that's cool too, because they will also get you on track with running your ads more effectively and affordably. So don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to join TikTok for Business and take your brand to the next level, okay? Visit soularchives.com/TikTok-ads to get started, okay? That's www.soul-archives.com/TikTok-ads to get started today. Your journey to success begins today. So let's get started working together. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to see more like it in the same style, let me know in the comment section below. But I do want to do more stories on here, more stories and strategies. So if you want to be inspired along your journey, click that subscribe button. Here's my little pop-up right behind me. But yeah, hit that subscribe button, hit the like button so I know and so that the algorithm knows, and so I can send this video to more people who want to be inspired. My name's Sarah. That's it for today. I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.